The creative juices were flowing. I am making a crochet granny square sweater. I have tons of yarn that I have not used in over like 2.5 years, and I want to get rid of it, but I was like, do I give it away or do I make a project? And here we are. We're making a project with all the colors, so I can never be like, nothing matches it. Something is bound to match. It's gonna be so cute. We're gonna keep going, and I'll take you along for the process. Now it's time to gather our supplies. So here are all the colors that we are using for today's project. The project has already been started, and I am now starting a new row. And I am using the, I guess, triple, I don't know the technical term, but it's 3 double crochets in one space, so it's a cluster. That's the word. We're doing a 3 double crochet cluster in each spot, and we're going around and around until we stop. Unrolling yarn from the outside is so much more difficult than just pulling from the center. I will be learning from my mistakes and just pulling from the center from now on. Here I am absolutely annihilating this whole row of maroon slash, I think it's actually called like autumn red in the span of 30 seconds. But really, this took me 20 minutes. So let's not get that twisted. 23 rows and 23 colors later, and we have the front panel. I created the same exact panel for the back. This is me finishing up one row of the sleeve, and yeah, I'm working in the round. This is not a tutorial. This is just me showing you my process, and boom, here we are. The sleeve is done. Voila, in view, a humble, valiant, very stylish person. LOL. If you catch the reference, you're a real one. But really, this is the sweater finished. It took lots and lots of hours, but I'm very proud, and it's super cute, and I'm excited to wear it. That is the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.